Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So today I want to walk us through on how to cut a perfect high fade. Here in Nigeria we call it Afro round cut, but foreigners do call it high fade, so we are stick to it. So today, watch it very well. If today is your first time seeing my channel, my pages, please do well to follow, like, comment and share. Don't forget. So the first thing you need to do is to comb out the hair thoroughly. Comb the hair out. Comb it the way the hair grows accordingly. Know how to texture hair, because if you understand the meaning of hair texturing, then you'll be able to cut hair according to the way the hair texture is and the way the hair grows. Do you understand? So after you have combed the hair thoroughly, the next thing you need to do is to sterilize your clipper. Please, this tutorial is basically for beginner barbers, so make sure you take your time to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you understand this. Barbering is very, very simple. This high fade is very, very simple. Once you understand how to set your clipper, how to move your hand, when to use steps, you are good to go. So if today is your first time on seeing my channel, you are blessed. Don't forget to be part of this family and make sure you join our membership pack. Do you understand? Share, like, comment, give us a thumbs up so that YouTube know that we are trying, we are doing something very, very educational. Do you understand? So like I said, make sure you share, pay attention very well. It's not easy to take time to make videos. Those of you that are saying that I'm talking too much, I have to talk so that I will explain everything. This channel, I'm not competing with anybody. I'm doing my own thing so that whoever that watches it we understand that barbering is very, very simple, because a lot of people have this mindset that barbering is hard because of what some tutors always tell them. See, barbering is very, very simple. So we are making use of only two things, the step 1 and the step 1.5, because this hair is not too bushy. So you are going to understand how to use this step. So after you have sterilized your clipper fin, the next thing you need to do is to brush down the hair, the side you want to brush. Then is the first guideline. Remember, anytime you are cutting high fade, the first guideline must be on skin level. So this first guideline, you are going to skin it very well. So how are you going to do it? You join your blades together. Let the two blades join together very well. Then you skin the first guideline. So you are skinning it. Don't rush it. Don't rush barbering. Barbering requires your maximum 100% patience. Do you understand? Stay focused. Whenever you're cutting a client's hair, make sure you focus. Don't be distracted. Take your time to give him what he or she wants. Do you understand? So once you brush it down, take your time to watch this video, because I took my time to make this video for you people. So you set it by bringing the gear upward. Whenever you want to set your clipper on skin level, you bring the gear upward. You close it. You can touch it on your palm to know if the thing is above anyone, so that it will not injure the person. Do you understand? Then you can turn your hand like this. You can turn your hand like this, or you can turn your hand upward. But make sure you follow it accordingly, because if you did not texture it very well, when you are blending, you are going to miss out a bit, because you have to follow it accordingly, so that when you are blending, when you are creating the second guideline, it will show. It will be very, very simple. What the way my hand is moving, follow it accordingly. I'm not going to rush this hair, so if you want to rush watching it, you are free. Do you understand? A lot of people have been commenting, they love the way I do it, all this stuff. See, everybody is different. So this is my own way of teaching. So I will take my time to make sure you understand this thing. If you take your time and watch this video from beginning to the end, I bet you there is no hair that you cannot cut, no high fade that you cannot cut. It's very, very simple. Watch what I'm doing now. See, I'm taking it slow and steady because I want you to understand it. Watch it very well now. See the way I'm doing it. Follow it accordingly. Don't rush it. What the way I'm holding my clipper. See, you have to understand the fundamentals of barbering. If you don't understand how to hold your clipper, how to raise your hand up, when to use your step 1, when to use your step 2, when to put it under low cut level, when to put it under semi low cut level, when to put it under skin, you are going to miss out. So all this thing requires what? It's all about calculation. You must be very, very calculative. Do you understand? You must be very, very calculative. It's very, very simple. So after you have done skinning the first guideline, you have created the first guideline. After you have done with it, The next thing you are going to do is to create the second guideline. Do you understand? Now you see how I'm going to create it. Is to create the second guideline. Watch it very, very well. So if you are finding this video helpful, if you know that you are trying, please give us a thumbs up. Like, comment and share. Like, comment and share, please. It's not easy to make tutorial, please. And join my membership pack to support me in any way you can, because very soon I'll start. There are some videos that are only members, only those that are part of my membership pack will have access to it. God, this is that I'm doing is not easy. So the second guideline now, watch, pay attention very well. The second guideline, whenever you are setting the second guideline, is going to be on low cut level. You bring the gear down, bring it down. Take your time and watch this video. You will surely understand it. Once you bring the gear down, open the blade. You texture it the way you textured the first guideline. You follow it. Can you see it? Texture it. Follow it accordingly. Don't rush it. Take your time. And once you are texturing it, once you are creating the second guideline, make sure you are brushing down the hair. Texture it very well. Do you understand? Don't rush it whenever you are cutting someone's hair. Follow it accordingly. See the way I'm doing it. It's very, very simple. It's not hard. If you have been following my tutorials, I bet you, I'm not saying that I'm good or whatever. We're all trying our best, but the way I do it, I will teach you in a way that you understand it. Now look at it very well. The first guideline that you created and the second guideline, there is line in between. Can you see what watch closely? The first guideline and the second guideline, there is line in between. So how are you going to clean it off? Now don't join it to skin finish. I normally call it semi-low cut. Bring it, open it a bit. Don't let, as in when you want to carve someone's hair, you join it together finish, right? But this one, don't join it together finish. Open it a bit. I call it semi-low cut level. You use the edge of the blade to clean off the line. Clean it off. Watch it very well. Use the edge of the blade to clean it off. Then after cleaning it off finish, if there is still a place that you see some line, then you put it on skin finish. You put it on total skin. You clean the remaining line off. But whenever you want to clean a line, make sure you open it a bit. I call it semi-low cut level, so that it will not be creating another line. Once you set it under skin immediately, once you are cleaning it off, it will be showing another line. So you have to open it a bit. Do you understand what I'm saying? Please, if you're learning something from here, please share. Let other people to benefit from this. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be putting out all these things here. Do you understand? Now, the third guideline is going to be on step 1, which is going to bring the final blending. Watch closely. Step 1. Then, once you bring your step 1, you insert your clipper. Once you insert it, you open it, put it on low cut level by bringing the gear down. Can you see it? You bring it down. This is low cut level. You bring it down. Watch it very well. It's still under what? Skin, under step 1. Then you create the third guideline. See the way I'm flipping up small, creating the third guideline. Can you see it? Can you see that the blending is coming out already? Can you see what I'm doing? This is HUC, High Universal Cut. A place that you learn barbering, theory and practical. There is nothing that I will hide for you. So if you are following me, you should by now start barbing. You should by now start cutting people's hair. I'm so grateful. I've received a lot of comments, messages that even some people, well, all glory to God. You understand? I do tell them that God is the greatest. It's the Lord's doing. It's not by my power. So once you know that you are learning something, you are benefiting something from here, please share, let other people learn. Comment anything. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it. Watch what I'm doing. I told you that this is tutorial purpose. That is why I'm taking it slow so that you understand. I would have finished this since, but I just want you to understand it very well. Now, once you created the third guideline with step 1 under low cut level, there is still line there. You see line there, you join it, you put it on skin level. You set it on skin level by bringing the gear up. It's still under was step 1. Get this thing right now. Follow it accordingly. I really took my time to make this video. You put it under skin and you blend that place again, you clean it off. Can you see that barbering is very, very sweet? See, within 1 week, you should be able to start barbering. You should be able to start barbering. Not that you'll be barbering it very, very perfectly. No one is perfect. Me too, I'm not perfect. I'm learning. So the fourth guideline, which is going to give you the shape of the blending before you use the step 1 to balance everything, is step 1.5, 1.5 guard. You use it. I will personally make another tutorial on how this step 1.5 work. This is the step that you use to get the texture of the high fade, the face of the shape of the person's hair. Do you know that some persons, it's not everybody that will cut high fade that it will suit the person. All these things centers on how person's hair texture is. Do you understand? So once you use step 1.5, you use it to get the shape of the person's hair, his hairline, the vertical bar and the horizontal. Then after you have gotten the shape, you put it under what? Skin level. You put it under skin level by bringing the gel upward. It's still under step 1.5. You create it again. Now if you stay behind the person and look, you see that the side of the vertical bar is now complements with the shape that you created. Now you put it on what? Step 1 to blend it like this, as if you are brushing the hair. Can you see that? Oh yeah, watch now. Even if you don't know anything about barbering and you watch this video, you understand what I'm saying. Can you see now that the vertical bar line side, the shape is coming out now? This is the work of step 1.5. It helps you to create the shape, the vertical bar, the person's hairline that will match the high fade. Then you use your step 1 to blend it down. This is the final side that we are now. This is the final side. Can you see what I'm doing? You brush it down. It's like a little bit fast, right? But it's not that I'm fast. Since you brush it down finish, you still turn your hand upward to what? To flip it up. After you flip it up finish, you still blend it down. Watch what I'm doing. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Please share this video, let other people learn from this, and make sure that you are brushing down the hair. Make sure you are brushing down the hair. Do you understand? So it's very, very simple. Barbering is very, very simple and sweet. All this thing that I'm doing now, that's why I told you that you have to take your time. Can you see that? You see some persons that will be barbering hair, you see them do like this. It's calculation. They are calculating it. Now after you have blended it finish, the next thing you need to do is to do the free hand blended by opening the blade. Put it under low cut level. Once you bring the gear downward, let it be open. You use your free hand to blend it, to brush it down. You brush it down. After you brush it down finish, you can turn your hand downward to blend it down, as if you are barbering low cut, to blend it down. Once you blend it down finish, you still raise your hand upward to blend off that plate that you blended down. See, this thing is, if you follow the procedure that I'm giving you, you understand that barbering is very, very simple. Now, thank God for social media. Everything is now digital. You just go online and learn whatever you want to learn. A lot of people that have been telling me that they want to come and learn physical. I don't have that time anymore. That's why any little time I have, I'll just come online here to just post in, to do it for you people to understand. And if you are here with me physically, the way that I'm teaching here is the same way that I will teach you, but there is still different though. But if you are sharp enough, there's nothing we don't learn online. There are some things too I learn online, but once you understand the basis, the fundamentals of anything that you are learning, once you want to advance and see anything online, you'll be able to catch up. So after you have blended, you have gotten what you want, then you comb out the hair again. You know that when you blended it, when you use step 1.5 to create the shape, the initial comb that you combed, the thing rough, so you have to comb it again. After combing it again, you see what I did now. I comb it finish. I noticed that the downside that I blended, the thing did not blend very well. So you have to take your time to take off anywhere that did not blend well. Then you put it on low cut level. You trim off the excess hair. You see the way I'm trimming it. See, if you see this hair, when I finish barbing it, you know that this hair is very, very sweet and fine. It's very, very, very sweet and fine. You see, you trim it off. This is how to trim off. You see, I'm taking the excess hair on the side. Look how I'm trimming it. This is tutorial purpose. That is, you see the way I'm holding the clipper, because I'm teaching you. I'm taking my time to make sure you get what I'm saying. Right? Can you see it? So you trim it. This is how to trim hair. I've made a video on how to trim hair, how you can set your blade and trim hair. A lot of people don't know that trimming is the hardest part of haircut, but a lot of people don't know. If you make any slight mistake, you have chopped off the hair. So you have to set the blade on low cut level. If you're a beginner, if you're a professional, you can still set it on low cut level, because this hair sometimes you'll be trimming the hair now. Before you know it, your mind will go another side. You might chop off the hair. You see how I'm doing it. So barbing is very, very sweet. You follow it accordingly. Anyhow the person's hair texture is. Sometimes some person will come to my salon, they will tell me that I want to cut this hair. When I look at their hair texture, I tell them to look at the mirror. Once they look at the mirror, I say, this hair that you showed me and this one that you want to cut, is it the same thing? Do you have the same hair texture with it? So barb this one. Look at the one that will fit you. You now, as a barber, as a professional barber, you are not just an ordinary barber. You are the one to tell people to look at your hair texture. That's why you need to understand what hair texture is. Do you understand? You might buy somebody's hair now. Another person will say that it's not fine. It's not fine because that person didn't understand the meaning of hair texturing. But you that understood it, you know exactly what you did. Do you understand? So this is just it. It's very, very simple. Please, if you find this video helpful, share, like, comment, and don't forget to follow us. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified that HUC High Universal Cut has posted. So peace and love. I promise you guys that I will never hide anything that I know in barbering. Go and check other videos. I've done a lot of videos. You will learn a lot. Okay, I specifically dedicate my time that, okay, I'll do this because a lot of people need to learn one or two hand work, and this one is the one that if you learn this barber, I know what you are doing, you're a billionaire. I know what I'm saying. I love you guys. HUC